Hi, today I want to discuss about an important Excel function whose name is column chart are useful for showing data change over a period of time for illustrating comparison among the item. Okay, here you see that some item and store. Okay, there is three types of a store and this is three types of item. I try to comparison the sale amount among this product. They allow easy comparison among a number of items and trend analysis. Now I try to show you how comparison by chart. Here is you see that various types of chart and graph. Okay, now I try to show you the chart column. Okay, and first of all you have to select this item and go to chart column. Here you see that the chart column are available, and we also try by this with item. Okay, and to go to here, and here you see that this is store and online sales and mail order. Okay, this is a store and this is the series item name is product name. Okay, and first of all you see that this is chart title. You can customize this chart title as your preference or as your choice name. Suppose I'll try to write this name, summer sales review. Okay, and we can color this and we can bold this. Here you see that this color should be more bright. Okay, this is bright color, and here you see that this is column. Okay, and this is this series item, and now we try to change this column or this item, and here you see that the plus mark. Okay, and you can customize your this chart item by various way. Here you see that axis. Okay, you add this axis and you can add this axis all over this chart. Okay, and you can remove or add, and here you see that also primary and secondary. If you click here, this is primary, and you click here, this is primary vertical, that means horizontal and vertical. And here you see that also axis title. Axis title means the title name left side and below. Okay, here you see that if you click here axis title, and it will add, and otherwise it will not add. Okay, and we also try to, this is chart title. If I try to write here anything, then it will chart title, otherwise it will remove. Here is chart title. Okay, and this is data label, and here is you see the data label. You click here or right click here, the data label are red, otherwise it will remove. And this is data label. You can add data label to this. Okay, and this is error bar. By this error bar you can measure the performance of this sales. Okay, and now you see that legend. Okay, you see that legend. If you want to show here the legend, and you can add here, or otherwise you can remove. Okay, this is grid line, and now I show you the design of this chart. Here is various design. Okay, the Microsoft Excel version. Here you see that various types of design and color are added here, and you can change your chart graph as your choice or as your preference. Okay, or as your official demand, and you can choose here. This is very attractive chart, and you can choose this design. Okay, and here is you see that this is filter item. this is filter item name and value. Okay, the column D and the row 5, and this is value. Okay, this is value. If you remove online sales store, here you see that you can remove this and apply here. Okay, you see that there is no online store, and you can add again. Okay, this is online store are add. Okay, and you must be apply here. Okay, then it will edit or remove. Okay, and you can customize this chart or for present for various colors, such as here is you see that the colorful, and to the there is also color. Here you can change the color. Okay, you can change the color, and you can change the style. Okay, this is new design or a style, you can do it. And here you can write as your customs name summer sales review. Okay, summer sales review. And you also change this design from here. Okay, you also change this color from here, and you also change this layout from here. Here is various types of layout are available here. Okay, so this is the basic of Excel chart table and graph. You can do it very easy. Thank you everyone.